This is a presentation I've been wanting to share with you and my introduction to the home-based business. I just want to be straight with you. My success wasn't some overnight miracle. When I first started in affiliate marketing, I was just like you, hopeful, but honestly pretty confused about how to make this work. It's actually been years. I remember sitting at my kitchen table wondering if I was crazy for believing I could build something real online. My first months, they were rough, trust me. We're talking about crickets, zero sales, and more self-doubt than I'd like to admit. But here's what changed everything. I stopped looking for shortcuts and started focusing on consistent, strategic action. In the next few emails, I'm going to share the exact blueprint that is helping me now to transform my online business from a dream to reality. No hype, no false promises, just real strategies that work, proven strategies. Are you ready to see what's possible for yourself? Contact me here so I can show you how you can do this online thing now. Are you ready to see what's possible? Thank you, and make sure and go back to that gailkendig.com.